This tutorial is designed to walk through the Explore platform of the Natural Products Atlas. The Explore pages listed under this menu are broken down into compounds, clusters, nodes, and global. We'll start by looking at the compounds page. On this page, you can access a compound by its MPA ID. You can either do this with MPA and 6 digits or as an integer directly. Also, you can access a compound directly by its compound name. So we'll go ahead and do this. I'll choose Abysomycin C as an example here. As you can see on this page, there's the compound properties table, where there's information relating to the compound properties, including the molecular formula, weight, as well as the original source organism and molecular identifiers. From here, you can download an image of the file or a mol file. You can also see external links to platforms, which we link out to. This particular example, we have link outs to both the MIBig database and the GMPS platform. If we scroll down a little bit, we get to see the full original isolation reference citation with link outs to the DOI directly or via PubMed. And in this particular case, we have instances of total synthesis. And again, you can link to the DOI of these articles. From this page, we'll move on to the Cluster Explore page. Each cluster represents a group of highly related compounds. We use molecular fingerprinting and similarity scoring to identify compounds which cluster together very closely. In this particular case, only Abysomycin C and its A-trop isomer cluster together. Moving on to the node platform, we see again our red highlighted Abysomycin C cluster. The node platform represents groups of closely related clusters, where representative molecules from each cluster are used to calculate the similarity between related clusters. So in this case, we see many of the Abysomycin clusters coming together into one individual node. And so in this way, we're aggregating chemistry into our larger view point. We can then go ahead and move to our global view Explore page, which is our last one. This is a three-dimensional radial plot of all of the nodes in the Natural Products Atlas. The coordinates of this plot are calculated using ratios of carbon, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, and carbon, nitrogen atoms of represented molecules for each of the nodes. We're still looking to explore how best to utilize this view and hopefully untap insights into the global chemistry of microbial natural products. One very neat feature of this view comes if you go through an Explore page. So using the basic search, we can look for all of the compounds related or that have been identified from Streptomyces. We can then go ahead and project all these results to the global view. And wait a moment. And then all of the highlighted red spheres here represent nodes which have compounds which have been isolated originally from Streptomyces species. So what this demonstrates is that the chemistry of Streptomyces is both diverse in terms of its coverage in our global view, but also leaves some holes within here. And so there's potential that some of these spaces could be filled in as new chemistry enters the atlas, but also there's potential that there's chemistry which needs to be discovered still. Hopefully this gives you some insight into how the Explore pages of the Natural Products Atlas can be used, and we look forward to seeing how you guys use these tools.